Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a really good day. This is Teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. Welcome back. Okay, so the title for today is Travel Plans in Future Tense. Okay, sounds interesting, right? Okay, that's cool. All right. So yeah, let's just jump into the learning outcomes. Well, so the learning outcomes are the things you're supposed to know by the end of the session, so let me read them for you. So yeah, you will be able to, number one, use going to describe future travel plans. 2, use travel vocabulary in context. 3, plan and share imaginary trip using the future tense. Okay, that's awesome. All right, so yeah, let's just see you in the warm-up activity. Well, so simply you have to answer these 3 questions. So, the first question, where do you want to go in the future? 2, why do you want to visit this place? And 3, what activities would you do there? So here we have our imaginary friend Sarah. She wants to answer. So yes, Sarah, where do you want to go in the future? To Turkey. Okay, amazing. Well, and why do you want to visit this place? Okay, because you love Turkey, and you love, like, you want to taste or try the Turkish food. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so what activities would you do there? Yes, you would visit the Blue Mosque. Okay, what else? Okay, yeah, you will try the Turkish food. Wow, okay, that's amazing. Good. Thank you so much, Sarah, and thank you so much for answering. Okay, well, yes, right now I have to leave you with a video to watch it for 3 times. And when you come back, we will answer these 3 questions. But first, before you go and watch, I need to read the questions with you. Question 1, where is Ahmed going to travel? Question 2, what is he going to do there? Question 3, where is Sarah's family going? Well, now you can watch the video for 3 times and then I'll wait for you.
This summer, I'm going to visit my grandparents in Egypt.
That sounds fun. How long are you going to stay?
I'm going to stay for 2 weeks.
What are you going to do there?
I'm going to visit the pyramids and eat lots of koshari.
Wow. I'm going to travel too. My family is going to Turkey.
This summer, I'm going to visit my grandparents in Egypt.
That sounds fun. How long are you going to stay?
I'm going to stay for 2 weeks.
What are you going to do there?
I'm going to visit the pyramids and eat lots of koshari.
Wow. I'm going to travel too. My family is going to Turkey.
This summer, I'm going to visit my grandparents in Egypt.
That sounds fun. How long are you going to stay?
I'm going to stay for 2 weeks.
What are you going to do there?
I'm going to visit the pyramids and eat lots of koshari.
Wow. I'm going to travel too. My family is going to Turkey.
Okay, yes, welcome back. So question 1, where is Ahmed going to travel? Yes, he's going to visit his grandparents in Egypt. Okay, perfect. And question 2, what is he going to do there? Yes, he's going to visit the pyramids and eat lots of koshari. All right, question 3, where is Sarah's family going? Well, her family is going to Turkey. Okay, wow, thank you. Well, so let's see on the vocabulary part. All right, and now let's learn some words related to our topic, which is traveling and future plans. So the first word here is destination. I need you please to repeat after me. Destination, destination, destination. Yeah, and destination is the place we're going to, like al-wijha. Then we have itinerary, itinerary, itinerary. Yeah, this is the plan of your journey. Okay, reservation, reservation, reservation. Reservation is like booking. Like, for example, when I call or send a message to the hotel, okay, to book a room or something. Reservation like al-hajz. Boarding pass, boarding pass, boarding pass. Yes, as you can see here in the picture. Well, departure, departure, departure. Departure is like leaving, المغادرة. The opposite is arrival. 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 Okay. Then we have sightseeing. 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 Yeah, like visiting the important and famous places in a country or in a place. Then we have tourist attraction. Tourist attraction. Tourist attraction. It means that this place or landmark attracts a lot of people, a lot of tourists actually, you know, like a lot of people are interested to know more about it and to come and see it. We have adventure. 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 Travel agency. Travel agency. Travel agency. Well, the travel agency, this is the place that arranges for you everything about your journey and about your travel. Like you just call them, tell them I want to travel to this country, for example, they arrange everything for you. Okay? Yes. Then we have budget. 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 This is the amount of money you set for something. Like for example, I want to go shopping or like for example travel to another place. So I set a budget for myself. Like for example, I will spend like 500, for example, okay, during this journey. This is my budget. I will not exceed it. Accommodation. 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 This is the place or this, like when you stay in a hotel, for example, or apartment. Accommodation, but not permanent. It's something temporary. Okay. Well, yes. So here let's have our first practice. Okay. Simply we have sentences and words we just need to match together. So yeah, number 1, a ticket that allows you to get on a plane. Yes, boarding pass. A plan for a trip. Yes, itinerary. Good, good. The time when a flight leaves. Yes, departure. Okay, the place you stay during a trip. Accommodation, thank you. Well, yes, an exciting trip or experience. Adventure, great. A place that tourists like to visit. Tourist attraction, great. A company that helps people plan trips. Travel agency, wow. Okay, money set aside for a trip. Budget, thank you. And the last one, the time when a flight arrives. Yes, arrival, thank you so much. You're doing amazing, by the way. Okay, now let's see you in the phonics part. Okay, so in the phonics, we will learn more about the U-R-E sound. Okay, so simply it's pronounced as Okay, let's listen. As here in future, departure, adventure. So when I see U-R-E, like in a row, they're pronounced as future, departure, adventure. Okay, that's so good. Well, let's see in the reading part. Okay, simply in the reading, we have a small text that we have to read together and then we will answer a couple of questions. So yeah, next year, Aisha and her family are going to travel to Italy. They are going to stay in Rome, Latin. They are going to stay in Rome for a week. They have already made a reservation at a hotel near the Colosseum. Aisha is excited because she's going to try Italian food and take lots of pictures. They have planned an itinerary that includes sightseeing and visiting famous tourist attractions. She hopes the trip will be an amazing adventure. Okay, good, good. So let's answer the questions together. Question 1, where is Aisha going to travel? Yes, to Italy, thank you. And what activities is she going to do there? Yes. She's going sightseeing and she's going to visit famous tourist attractions. Okay, and of course, try the Italian food. Well, why is Aisha excited about the trip? Yes, because she's going to try Italian food and take lots of pictures. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, now I will see you in the grammar part. Okay, so let's learn how can we use going to make future plans, yeah? Okay, so simply use going to as a phrase to talk about future plans, okay? Something that didn't happen yet, something will happen in the future. So for example, I'm going to visit my grandparents next month, or she's going to stay in a hotel. For example, we're going to see famous places. Okay, yeah, something in the future. So just add the subject, I, she, we, whatever, and then of course verb to be, am, is, are, then going to, and so on. Okay, and of course don't forget that after going to, we put the verb as it is, like stay, we're going to see, we're going to stay, we're going to visit, without any additions. Well, let's have our second practice. Okay, so let's choose the correct answer. So the first one, yes, I am going to the airport tomorrow. Thank you. Okay, question 2. They, yes, they're going to stay in a hotel for 3 days. Okay, 3, she, her cousins next summer. Yeah, she's going to visit her cousins next summer. 4, we, a boat tour. We're going to take a boat tour. Okay, 5, Ahmed is going to buy souvenirs for his friends. Good. Yes, yeah, I'm going to fly to Spain next week. 7, my family, yes, is going to have a picnic at the beach. Thank you so much. Okay. All right, and let's see you in the speaking part. Okay, so here in the speaking, I just need you to plan an imaginary. ماشي. tick, 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 tick. ماشي. Okay, so here in the speaking part, I just need you to plan an imaginary trip, like use your imagination, okay? Yes, so first thing, I need you to choose your destination, the place you're traveling to, like Paris, Dubai, Turkey, Tokyo, whatever, okay? Second thing, I need you to complete the following. I am going to travel to, I am going to stay in a, I am going to visit, I'm going to try, okay? You have to describe your imaginary trip with details, of course, using the grammar and the vocab. Well, let me ask you, what did you learn today? Okay, that's awesome. And this actually marks the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next session, inshallah. And don't forget your homework. Bye.